Man, look at this. Y'all see this, right? Your boy got snow day after Halloween. Look at that. All the way around. Goodness gracious. This is terrible. Who would have expected that? Snow in the vehicle already? Not ready for that. We are not ready for none of this. But we'll start the beat stuff. Got doctor's appointment early today.
Spice things up.
Got a good early doctor's appointment. So, gotta get out here, start the truck up, clean her off. Man, who say we was ready for this? Goodness gracious, already. So, it's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at y'all with another video, man. Today we out here just showing y'all what we got today. You understand? Day after Halloween. Actually, it started last night on Halloween. All this snow. This is terrible. Who's ready? Are you ready? She ready? I'm not ready. So we're gonna let the beast warm up, defrost a little bit, and I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Boy, out here raking snow off my truck. Y'all see how much snow I got. You know, and I'm trying to drink my good coffee on my way to the doctor. So, can't do both. Get back to y'all in a minute. Yeah, this is what we got going on, y'all. Snow out here. I think this is it. We're not getting no more after today for a minute. But this is where we at with it right now. Out here. Alright, y'all. More like a POV of the beginning of winter. I'm running late. So I really didn't get to clean my truck off like I want to. But hopefully y'all having a great day out here. Let me know how many of you guys got snow right now. I'm in PA. So, we got hit with a little snow overnight on Halloween. Let's see what the back road gonna look like. Do we need to put it in four-wheel drive? Look like somebody came through. That's good. Everybody else has already been through here. Sad though, I ain't gonna lie. It's already snow right right now, but I can't wait till it actually gets some snow so I can come through there. I think y'all remember last year when we first moved over here. I think I came through here a couple times in the snow. But yeah. Back road, first snow. Just wanted y'all to see what was going on out here right now in my neck of the woods. So, hopefully you guys check out the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Smash the notification bell so y'all get all the coming content that I put out. I'll catch y'all on the next one.